Hello, welcome to Peine Fix. Today we are going to repair one gaming laptop, XMG Core 15. Problem on this laptop is when customer open the game and it will stuck in some place. Fan, it's rotates very fast and makes noise. I'll show you what's the symptom on this laptop. The fan is spinning very fast. Here another game. And I can feel here hot air. One screw is already missing. Customer already told he has tried to open, but he forgot to put it back. And I have found this small metal piece from here in this place, in this ventilator exit. So first thing, I'm going to remove the fan and connection and going to thoroughly clean the dust. Okay, then I'm going to put the new warm light paste, the heat paste, and I'm going to put it back. Then I'll see what happened. Can you see the dust? So it will block the airflow. Okay, and the hot air go back into the circuit board. So it's it's reduced its efficiency. So that's the reason. Okay. Also here and here the dust is blocking. Anyway, again we can put it back. Can you see the dust here? You see? So definitely there's no way to go out that heat the air. So it will go return back to the process of the heat sink. And also, if you see here, blocking, they have outway here and this side. So this is most likely the main reason this laptop has a fast spinning fan and getting heat. Obvious. Okay, now I am going to remove everything, this heatsink, and cleaning very well. I am going to put the new paste, more paste. Okay, now it's time to clean the fan, lufter. Okay, and another fan. Okay, and yes. Yes. As you can see, it's normal. I can feel it's warm but not too much. Before we cleaned the motherboard, it was very hot. If you have a gaming laptop, PlayStation, and if you encounter this type of problem, your fan is rotating very fast, making noise, it's most likely there is a dust particle blocking the cooling airflow way. So if you want this type of repair, go to painefish.de and write us an email.